Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to set study goals on Kahoot. How to set your study goals on Kahoot. So to do this, first thing is from the home page, you see the option for it, track your learning progress, set weekly goals. So click on it. Okay, for whatever reason it's not responding. Okay, so if you click on it, it's supposed to pop up this menu where you pick your weekly learning goal. You can always reset your goals later. So we have math, science. These are the areas in which you can set. Let's say I want to set a goal for math, so I tap on math. Is it for 10 minutes? Okay, which part of math? Is it elementary, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, applied math, statistics, multiplication? So you choose the area you want to do. Let's say I want to do it on, let's say, elementary math, for example. And then you click on save, and so if you want to start, you can now click on it and just begin the goal. It's as simple as that. If you want to edit it, click on edit at the top here. So hope you found this video helpful on how to set goals on Kahoot. Thanks for watching.